Well, hello, Monica here, and I have something I have to tell you first. So I am engaged, yay, and I'm just so excited and happy. So Sean and I, we got engaged on Saturday, November 2nd, which was also actually his birthday. So it was very special and I wanted to share the news with you. So I'm planning on filming some wedding videos over on my vlog channel, Monika and Sean, and I just think it would be fun. I want to tell you our engagement story, how it all went down, and then just the whole process and journey of us planning our wedding. So you're welcome to follow along. I would also love for you to get to know me on a different level. I mean, I love being your online boutique coach and talking all things business. I can do that. Like, that is what I love doing, but there is just so much more to me, what makes me who I am as a boutique owner, as a business owner, as a boutique coach, and there's so much more to life. And I know that sometimes we can get lost in just the hustle mode of business all day, every day. So I just want to share some joy with you, and I just think it would be fun. So again, you're welcome to follow along over on our vlog channel, but of course, all things helping you grow your boutique business will be right here. So if that's all you're interested in, then that's totally cool. That's fine. But again, I would love for you to follow us in our journey with our, yes, all of these things happening. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you. Now let's get to today's video. All right, so today's topic is 5 effective sales strategies for your boutique. And this is actually a throwback episode, a video that I filmed for IGTV actually last season, the last holiday season, and I had to share it here with you because we are getting closer to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and you need to have an effective sale strategy. So you can actually use these promotion ideas all throughout the year, whether it's for your semi-annual sale or maybe for your anniversary sale of your boutique or any sort of larger promotion or promotion that you want to host for your business. So you can definitely use these ideas. I use these ideas for my boutique to this day, and it's definitely something I wanted to share with you now here on the channel. So just a heads up, this is a vertical video style because I did film it on Instagram stories, but you're still going to get the same helpful information as always. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's just get right to it. Hey everyone, Monika here from onlineboutiqueboss.com, and for today's quick tip video, I am going to give you 5 examples of different sales and promotions that you can use for your boutique for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the holiday season. And I am filming this on Instagram stories because I love stories so much. It's so easy to use. I'm on it every single day for my own boutique, so I thought, there's a doorbell. Now this is part 2. I already filmed and posted the first video over on my YouTube channel where I went into depth about how you can prepare and get ready for the busiest time of the year for your boutique. So be sure to reference that video. All right, the first example is to have a site-wide sale. This is the easiest, most straightforward type of promotion for your customer to take advantage of because it's simply your entire website is a certain percentage off. Now, as far as what percentage off you should be offering, that really depends on your specific business, the products that you carry, and your overall brand. So what makes sense for your boutique? Now, it's important to have a clear understanding of your profit margins. If you're going to offer a specific percentage off, you want to make sure that at the end of the day, you're still making a profit even after all of your sales, so pay attention to that. You also want to look at what other promotions have you done most recently, so leading up to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So maybe you just did 20% off site-wide. So now you want to up that to make it even more enticing, specifically for your holiday promotion. You want to remember that people are shopping for the best deals. So you want to make sure that this is going to be the most exciting, the biggest sale of the year for your business. And that is how you can also promote it. Also pay attention to similar boutiques within your niche and what promotions they're having and how they're marketing those promotions. See what works for them and how their customers and their followers are interacting with their sale. And side note, it's important to always get inspiration, but you never want to copy somebody else because you are unique to you. You're your own brand, so get that inspiration, but make it your own. All right, example number 2 is BOGO. Buy one, get one, whether that's buy one, get one free, depending on your products, buy one, get one 50% off. Again, super simple to set up, which you can do through your e-commerce store. Most e-commerce platforms should give you the capability to customize your discounts. I will leave a link down below to my favorite e-commerce store that I use for my boutique and highly recommend. And the third promotion example is spend more, save more. So this is a fun way for your customers to not only shop on your website, but get different options of discounts. For instance, if you spend $75, then you get 15% off. If you spend $100, then you get 20% off. And if you spend over $200, then you get 30% off. This is also a great way for you to increase your overall total amount per order. We're on example number 4, and that is deal of the days, which are specific products are at its lowest point only on that day. So this is going to be different than your typical sale item or your sales page. So these are in-season products, even new arrivals or very popular items that you're offering at a very low discounted price for your deal of the day promotion. Example number 5 is a sale plus a gift card, or a sale plus a gift. So if you wanted to keep your 20% off discounted price, because that's within your margins, then you can offer a gift card per person. As I was saying, you can offer a gift card per purchase. So you can offer a $5, $10, $15 gift card to use during a specific time frame, maybe after your promotion starting, say, December 1st. Or you can offer a free gift with purchase. And those gifts need to be related to the products that you're selling in your boutique. So if that's jewelry, accessories, scarves, beanies, leggings, something within your boutique. All right, those are all of my examples, my 5 examples, but I do want to give you one more quick tip, and that is if you already offer free shipping, maybe you can offer expedited shipping as a special little promotion. Just side note. Oh, very, very important. Make note of your sales this year so that next year you can have reports and see how well your sales did, and you can keep learning and keep growing and keep understanding your target customer. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to leave a comment, say hello, follow me on Instagram and on YouTube so that you don't miss out on any more boutique business videos, and I will see you in my next one.